Welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the natural gas price has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is continuously on the uptrend. As you can see, a swing is forming at this particular level and there is a continuous upside. If you look at this continuous upside, we have seen it is trying to form a narrow pattern. It is already being narrowed at this particular point, so chances can be very high that if the price move out of a zone of $3, we can see a sharp upside movement. Okay, the second thing is that as soon as that means if it goes below a level of $2.8, a further fall we can see, and chances of going further down we can see. Okay, but closely it is moving in this zone. That means if it fall below a level, then this is the zone. Otherwise, if we look at a longer view, then it has to go below a level of 2.7 or around 2.65. That is where we can see a fall can come, and this big pattern is creating this pattern. Okay, so now this is the first thing. Second thing is that once started moving above a level of $3, then only a further upside we can see, because it is moving in a zone since Jan of 23. Okay, now after pandemic, what had happened, there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of natural gas, and this was the situation where the war situation has come and the price was continuously moving down. After that, it has not stable, but what we have seen in gold, crude and silver, a good movement, but a natural gas movement still waiting. So you have to remember, anytime the price can go upside or a downfall, then we can see a big movement can come. Okay, so you have to understand that. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards $2.9698. okay, $2.9698, and after that, if the price sustain that level, we can see it can cross a level of around $3, exactly $3 if the price sustain this level. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, we can see it will go towards a level of $3.024, and once the price move up that level, a further high we can see, and then you can see it can cross that particular level and it can touch its high of around $3.0530. okay, and this is the high of this zone. Okay, so as soon as started moving upside, a further high we can see. Okay, so once started moving above a level of $3.053, a further high we can see, and then upside movement we can see in the price of natural gas. But remember something, that there is a continuous upside already moving in the natural gas, but the volatility is high. So if the volatility is high, what you have to do is twice your SL and target. Okay, and half your quantity. This will save your capital in the time where the volatility is high. Okay, some event is coming, okay, or some news is coming, that is where a volatility we can see. So you have to follow these rules: half your quantity, increase your SL and target by twice. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go further down, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.9280 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 2.9176 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 2.9 also we can see. Again I repeat that suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go further down, and a probability of touching a level of around $2.921 is there, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and it can touch a level of $2.9, and this 2.9 is a strong support. A bounce back can come from that particular level, but if that didn't come, then you can see it can go further down, and a probability of going towards 2.8865 we can see, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.8400. okay, keep that in. After 2.865 we can see a level of $2.8400, and there will be chances of breakout we can see, and then you can see it can go further down, and a probability is very high that it can go further down towards $2.53 to a level of 2.7653. Okay, as soon as it moves below a level of $2.8, chance of touching 2.765 will be there, and then further down we can see it might be looking at the small support, but these small supports play an important role when the quantity is high. Okay, remember this. So once the price fall below a level of $2.7653, a further fall we can see, and because there will be a trend breakout, so probability of moving further low we can see. So keep that in mind. As soon as started moving below a level of $2.8, a further fall we can see, and then you can say it can touch a level of 2.6 also once the price fall below this particular level. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.